chapter 9, verse 13. As it is written, Jacob have I loved, but Esau have I hated.
Yeah, because Esau has been hated by Yahweh. Yahweh is is the name of who the ignorantly Edomites and the rest of these nations call as God. His real name is Yahweh, and he hates these so-called Edomites out here enjoying their life and having a great time. Go ahead and go to Romans. Let's keep it in the spirit. Malachi 1 and 2. Yeah. You get 1 and 2. You get Malachi 1 and 2. And you get now you get Joel 3 and 2. Yeah. You get Joel 3 and 2. Because all these so-called white people, which their real name is Edomites, but here in so-called Germany, they're called the Ashkenaz. Ashkenaz are out here living their lives. Just like in America, everybody drunk off the wine of their society, off of their bullshit ass lies, off of their Catholicism, off of these bullshit ass religions, but they oppress anybody with brown in their melanin. Anyone with melanin, they get oppressed in Germany or anywhere else because they've been cursed. Because the Israelites are hated throughout the whole world. But that shit's coming to an end. Thus said Yahweh. He's waking up his elect. This day and every other day until he comes back. He has men out here, the holy prophets, fishing for his elect men. Read.
Book of Joel, chapter 3, verse 2. I will also gather all nations and will bring them down into the valley of Jehoshaphat. I will plead with them.
He's going to plead with all the nations for his people. Every nation out here, every nation that is not on this of the 12 tribes of Israel, they're going to be going into captivity. Thus said the Lord. Read.
And I will plead with them there for my people and for my heritage Israel. And they have scattered among all nations.
Because we have been scattered among all nations, because we didn't keep the law, statutes, commandments of Yahweh when he gave it to us through Moses. That's why we were scattered through all nations. All nations. But it's coming to an end. We've been woken up right now. Right now. Read.
And parted my land.
Or Proverbs 23 and 11. Read.
Malachi 2 and 1. And now, O ye free, this commandment is for you. If you will not hear, and if you will not take into heart the glory of my name, says the Lord of hosts, I will set a curse upon you. Now thus your blessings here.
Amen. See, that's what happened to Israel. We were cursed. In the year 70 AD, Romans came and persecuted and killed Israel with a great slaughter. Anyone that was an Israelite that was getting killed by the Romans, and they fled into Africa. Why would you flee into Africa if you're a white person, if you're a so-called white person? You're not going to blend in, you're going to stand out there. So they fled into Africa to hide. And then the so-called Hamites, along with the so-called Jews, which are Amalekites, Amalek, they gathered us up and put us into slavery. Read.
I've cursed them already because he do not play into heart.
Con.
Behold, I will pour up the sea and spread dung upon your faces, even the dung of your soul feast, and one shall take you away with it. And ye shall know that I have sent this commandment unto you, that my covenant might be with Levi, saith the Lord of hosts.
Matthew 22. And that's what happened to us. Go ahead. Read.
Book of Malachi, chapter 1, verse 2. I have loved you, saith Yahweh. Yet ye say, wherein hast thou loved us? Was not Esau Jacob's brother? Saith Yahweh, yet I love Jacob, and I hated Esau.
Esau is so-called Edomites, Adawam. They are Esau, the red people of this earth. They lack pigment. They are the wicked of the earth. They were created by Yahweh to spread sin and wickedness through the whole earth. Deuteronomy 28.
Should I finish it?
Yeah, read.
And laid his mountains and his heritage waste for the dragon of the wilderness. Whereas Edom said, we are impoverished, but we will return and build the desolate places. This saith Yahweh of hosts. They shall build, but I will draw down.
Because that's what happened. That's what happened during the Romans. During the Romans, the time when the Renaissance came, they built it back up. They built everything up. But that's what's going to happen. They're going to be destroyed. Thus saith the Lord. Read.
And they shall call them the border of wickedness.
Esau is the border of wickedness.
And the people against whom Yahweh have indignation forever.
Forever. The so-called God hates white people. That he hates them. He hates Esau for the wickedness and everything that he's done in this world. Read
Deuteronomy 28. And it shall come to pass, if thou shalt hearken diligently unto the voice of the Lord thy God, to observe and to do all his commandments,
Read.
I command thee this day, that the Lord thy God will set thee on high above all nations of the earth.
This is the promise that he gave us if we follow the law, statutes, commandments. But Jake's so goddamn wicked, he ain't gonna listen. He hard-headed. They are rebellious people. And so go to 16.
Deuteronomy 28 and 16.
15.
28 and 15. But it shall come to pass, if thou wilt hearken unto the voice of thy Lord thy God, to observe to do all with his commandments and statutes, which I command thee this day, that all these curses shall come upon thee. All these curses.
All these what?
All these curses.
Read.
And overtake thee.
Okay, read. Go to 32. Go to 32. We were cursed. We were cursed for not following the law, statutes, commandments of the Most High.
Verse 32. Thy sons and thy daughters shall be given unto another people, that eyes shall look and fan, and longing for them all day long.
So we went into Egypt again by way of ships. Egypt is synonymous for the house of bondage. House of bondage means Egypt. And when we got off those ships, we were sold like cattle in America. All of our people were sold like cattle to the so-called white man. So-called white man got held to pay for that.
And there shall be no might in thy hands.
Read.
The fruit of thy land and all thy labors shall the nation which thou knowest not eat up, and thou shalt be only oppressed and crushed always.
That's what happened to Israel. Our homeland, it was taken. All of our sustenance was taken from us. Everything was taken from us. Our heritage, our land, everything. But we're getting it back, thus saith the Lord right now. We're waking up the elect right now. Read.
So book of Matthew, chapter 22, verse 9. Go ye therefore into the highways, and as many as you shall find fit to the marriage.
Read.
So those servants went out into the highways.
That's what we're doing right now. We are in the highways and byways. Hold on. I'm just gonna give you a 360 tour of what's going on right here. Got a so-called Edomite concert back there. This is what's happening right here, right now.
So those servants went into the highways and gathered together all as many as they found, both bad and good. And the wedding was furnished with guests.
Let's go to Obadiah. We get Ezekiel 35 and 3. We get Psalms 52 and 5. Psalms 52 and 5. Nah, you got Obadiah? You get Obadiah. Because it's high time that we wake up out of the sleep that we in. Living under the white man.
Bring it out.
Living under the white man, let him. This picture has been pushed through the whole world as Jesus Christ. This is not Jesus Christ. The Bible don't say that Jesus Christ looked like this. The Bible don't say that. But we're going to get that in a minute. This is not what Jesus Christ looked like. And his name ain't Jesus. The letter J was invented 600 years ago. His name is Yahweh Shai. And he's a man of war. And he's going to come fuck up this motherfucking place.
Ezekiel 35:3, and say unto it, thus saith the Lord, Yahweh, behold, commands here,
Read.
I am against thee, and I will stretch out my hand against thee, and I will make thee most desolate.
Mount Seir belongs to Esau, Edomites. They are from Mount Seir. The word Caucasian comes from Caucasus Mountains. That's where Edomites come from. That is their homeland. That is the land that God gave them when He created them. Read.
I will lay the city waste, and thou shalt be desolate, and thou shalt know that I am the Lord.
Come. You're ready for slavery. You're ready for captivity. Thus said the Lord. Read.
Yeah. It's the book of Hosea, chapter 1, verse 10. For thy violence against thy brother Jacob.
See, the whole thing is, Esau is the brother of Jacob. Esau is our brother. Get it? Esau is the brother. Hold that and get that. Esau is our brother, but he hated us because the birthright was given to us. Was given to the Israelites and not to his wicked ass. Read.
So it's the book of Genesis, chapter 25, verse 25. And the first came out, Salakia, 24.
Read.
And when her days to be delivered were fulfilled, behold, there were twins in her womb.
Twins.
And the first came out red, all over like an hairy garment.
Esau.
And they called his name Esau.
Come. And Joshua wasted away. Read.
And after that came his brother out, and Salakia, and his hand took hold on Esau's heel.
Hold on. Because Jacob was whipping Esau's ass in the womb. Come right here, because you're not in the camera. Jacob was whipping his ass in the womb. It's been a righteous hatred from the womb.